Hey, I want to talk everybody through a couple things that I learned when installing my first Luxor system. And I'm not going to lie, Luxor used to scare the hell out of me. However, once I actually started doing the work and getting my hands on it, I realized it's really easy. It's time consuming to set up all the zones, and I've set up about 40 zones here. You can do up to 250, but it's easy. So, first thing, this is the only transformer I've ever seen that a homeowner is impressed with. You're not going to upsell a homeowner on any other transformer than this one because of all the controls, because of the screen. I can take what I normally charge $300-400 for and charge $3,000 or $4,000 for because of everything that it can do and how awesome it looks. Number two, servicing the FX fixtures, and keep in mind you don't have to use FX. You can use the Luxor cubes and you can use virtually any phase dimmable lamp that you want. However, if I do decide to use the FX fixtures, and they're the integrated Luxor ones, it's easy to service them. It's as simple as just screwing off the top on virtually all of them, taking a couple of screws out on this board right here, if you want to get in close and see that, and then it's dropping in a new board. Takes you maybe a minute and a half, right? All right, also the ability to control those 40 groups out here. I didn't know I needed it until I had it. Let me walk you over to the putting green and kind of talk you through how I use that. You see, these lights out here do not need to be on all night. So what I do is I have most of them full blast till about 9:30. I then dim about half of them, keep the ones up on the house lit to 100% virtually all night. I'll even change a few colors out there in the pond and behind the bamboo just to give it a different look every night. And I can set up different schedules so that they can change on Christmas or New Year's or 4th of July, whatever I want with the Luxor system. Also, what's awesome is that I have another Luxor transformer over here. It's called a satellite. That does not need Wi-Fi connection, okay? And I compare that with the WAC colorscaping system, which I love. But I have to have good Wi-Fi to every single one of those transformers. With the FX Luxor system, all I need is good Wi-Fi to one of them. Then I've got RF 2,000 feet, so I can connect as many satellite transformers as I want and control each one of these fixtures individually or in groups. I can't do that with anything else. So this has been a labor of love, learning the system. I absolutely cannot live without it right now. And I'm doing a training. It'll be the last one for the season on February 25th right here. You guys will get to play with it. I've only got 15 spots. We're gonna go through, not just during the day, a full setup, also see it all at night, be able to play with it. Hope most of you can attend. Thank you for the time.